Hello viewers. I brought a mind-blowing tutorial video of Dark Moody Effect in Adobe Lightroom. I promise it will shock you. If you like the video, don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button for getting more interesting video first. So let's get started. First, import your image. I have already imported my image. If you want to download this image, the link is in the description and the link of the final image is also in the description. First select the lights and select highlights. Decrease it to -100, it will decrease the highlights of the image. Then select shadows and increase it to +100, it will decrease the shadow of the image. I know you are thinking that image becomes ugly, just watch. Now go to contrast and increase it as much you like. Now see before and after, it's a huge difference. Now select color. If your image is more warm, decrease the temperature. If it is more cool, then decrease temperature as you like. Now select color grading. Select red color, increase it as you like. In my case I have set it to -12. And saturation -2 and luminance 6. Set it as your own in your image. Now select green color. Decrease hue to -100. Saturation to -92. Now see before and after, it's a huge difference. And increase luminance to 28. Then select light blue and increase hue to 78. Remain the saturation and luminance as it is. Now select purple and increase hue to +2. The part of color grading is now finished. Now it's time for final touch-up. Select rectangle icon below the colors icon, increase texture to +10. Clarity to +10. Then decrease the vignette to -22. Midpoint and feather to 44. Now go to detail section, and increase the color noise reduction to 100, it will correct your image color wherever it is noisy. Our work is done. The final image is ready. This is the Dark Moody Effect. How you like this video, please comment in comment box. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button. Have a nice day.